All right, lesson 2.2 is slope and rate of change. Remember, when you're finding the slope of a line is how it changes from left to right. Now, since this one, if you look at this from left to right, what it does is, as you can see, it's increasing. So since it's increasing, first of all, this one's going to have a positive slope. And the way you remember this is, you remember the way you find slope is, you're going to find the rise over the run. So what we need to do is, as we're looking up this line, we need to find two places where they meet at a whole number ordered pair, or where they meet at where these blue lines intersect. So as we follow up the line, we find that these 2 points right here. Now, before we do anything, we need to rise. So we always start at the point on the left, and you're going to rise until it matches up with this y value of the other point. And this should make a right angle. So if we rise, we're going to rise this direction. So we're going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And since we had to go up, then it's going to be a positive 8. Then we have to run to the right. So since we're running to the right, this number is also going to be positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So when we write the slope, it's always the rise, which is 8, over the run, which is 6. And you should always, since these are written as fractions, you should always reduce these. So since 2 will go into both of them, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this one is said to have a slope of 4/3. Example number 2, if you look at this line from left to right, you're going to find out that this slope, or this line, declines, or it goes down. This is one that would have a negative slope. Okay? Now, when we're looking at these, again, same thing, always start with the ones on the right. And since this time our run, we're matching up with this y value, but since we have to go down 1, 2, this one's going to have a rise of -2. And if we go to the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this particular one, this line, the rise, because remember it's going to be rise over run. Our rise is -2, and our run is 8. So since those both are even, again, we can divide them both by 2. So I get -1 over 4.